So here I have a Bestbuy TV. It's a 55-inch LF621C21, and it's having a funny symptom when you turn it on. Kind of has this bleeding effect. So it turns on okay. Then the screen kind of blips. And then it kind of like bleeds. You can see it starting at the bottom there. There we go. It kind of goes red like that. So at first what I thought was the T-Con board. So I ordered a new T-Con board, but that's not it. So I'm thinking it's actually a bad LCD panel. Unfortunately, you can't replace the panels. So if I disconnect one side of this, so let's just eliminate half the panel, the whole screen goes dark. So I disabled half the screen, and you have half the screen is solid. By disconnecting this right cable here, that means that there's basically a bad LCD panel here. One of these lines are shorting out on the LCD screen, and that's why it's giving that funny thing there. So sometimes you can cut some of the lines here and try to find it, but it's kind of really hard to figure out what one's bad. So I took out the main board. I'm pretty sure it's not the main board, but you never know. I'm gonna heat up the CPU and do a reflow, and then we'll absolutely know if the problem is the LCD panel. I also tried to tape the cable, because sometimes what you can do is use a little bit of tape, and then you can tape a couple of the connectors if it's shorting out, and you can put a little bit of tape folding around the ribbon cable like so, and sometimes that disconnects some of the ribbons. Just make sure the tape's a little bit thinner, and then try to reconnect and see if it still has. I taped everywhere on this, but still has the issue, so that didn't fix it. But maybe it's to do with this main board here, I don't know. And so we do have these lines here that go to the T-Con board, so let's reflow this. This chip here will be for the HDMI, so that chip doesn't really matter. I'm just more concerned about the CPU here. So I'm just gonna put some flux around here, and we'll heat up the CPU. I've taken off the heat sink so that it can get more heat on there. Let's see if this works. It's funny that you can barely just see. So that didn't help. Still doing the crazy fading thing. You can see there, the screen's still fading. So it's basically a bad LCD panel. There's like some sort of short on the little LEDs on there. So those screens are too expensive to ship, so it's probably best to get a new TV. So hopefully this has fixed your problem. If it has, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I am an author as well on Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can go to amazon.com or .ca and type in my name. It's Benjamin Newson. And I've just recently published a couple books. My very first novel is called Heart of Stone. It's an interesting story about the end times. And this guy's having dreams, and then his dreams become real in a science fiction novel. I also have other book called Unlocking Your Mind about memory tricks for studying techniques, as I'm a teacher, so several years there. And over the Great Wall, I've written about my life experiences 7 years abroad in China. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next repair video.